Identify components of diesel engine listed below. Generator engines. Marine engines on ships are responsible for propulsion of the vessel from one port to another. Whether it's of a small ship sailing in the coastal areas or of a massive one voyaging international waters. In this chapter we will only see the components of marine 4-stroke diesel engine. That is medium-speed engines. Turbocharger. Rocker arm. Exhaust valve. Push rod. Piston. Exhaust valve cam. Gudgeon pin. Crankcase door. Crankcase. Crankshaft. Bottom end bearing. Connecting rod. Cylinder liner. Inlet valve cam. Piston rings. Water cooling. Inlet valve. Cylinder head. Air cooler. Fuel injector. Bed plate. It works as a foundation block for the marine diesel engine. They are right at the same time strong and flexible to support weight and handle fluctuating forces produced by the engine. A. Frame. They support the cylinder block. It is separately fabricated structure mounted on top of the bed plate. They carry crosshead guides while supporting the cylinder block, and are secured to the bed plate using bolts. Entablature. An entablature is a part of the ship's main engine. It is the housing which holds the cylinder liner along with the scavenge air space and cooling water spaces. Crankshaft. It is a key component of an engine transmitting cylinder power to the propeller shaft. It is subjected to high torsion and fluctuating bending and shear stress. Camshaft. The primary function of the camshaft is to operate an inlet and exhaust valves, fuel injectors, and fuel pumps. Camshaft speed is half of the crankshaft speed in 4-stroke engine. Camshaft is connected to the crankshaft either by gear or chain mechanism. Piston. Piston in 4-stroke engine is trunk-type piston as it will be connected to the crankshaft through connecting rod in Gudgeon pin. It is to convert the force of expanding gases during combustion process to mechanical energy. A piston can be called as the heart of an engine, as it transforms all that energy under fluctuating thermal and mechanical stress. Gudgeon pin. A gudgeon pin in the piston skirt performs the crosshead function in trunk piston engine. Piston rings. It provides sealing of combustion chamber by expanding outwards. It also prevents the combustion gases leak or escape from the space in between cylinder head and piston crown. Liner. It is to provide durable and heat-resistant combustion chamber. Connecting rod. It does the function of transforming the reciprocating motion of a piston into rotary motion of crankshaft. It is fitted in between a piston via gudgeon pin and crankshaft in 4-stroke marine diesel engine. Cylinder head. It is the top part of the combustion space, while supporting all necessary valves required for the operation such as inlet, exhaust, and fuel injector. Valves. 4-stroke marine diesel engine have both exhaust valves and inlet valves mounted on the cylinder head. Instead of scavenge ports they will have inlet valves. Air starting valve. The air starting valve of a marine engine is responsible to start the engine from a standstill or stop position. The air starting valve is fitted at the center of each cylinder head, controlling the air supply to the combustion chamber at a 30 bars pressure. Cylinder relief valve. A cylinder relief valve is a protective device fitted on top of the cylinder head that protects the engine and its surroundings from unprecedented damage from overpressure. It is one of the several cylinder head mountings installed for the safe operation of an engine. provided for each cylinder of a marine engine. It lifts up, releasing excess combustion pressure. Indicator valve. Indicator valve or cork are used to measure and monitor cylinder pressures in large-bore diesel engines while running. It is also used to blow through the engine before starting. Turbocharger. The function of a turbocharger is to increase the overall power and efficiency of an engine. It has two main parts: blower, turbine. Fuel injector. The function of the fuel injection system is to provide the right amount of fuel at the right moment, and in a suitable condition for the combustion process. There must therefore be some form of measured fuel supply, a means of timing the delivery and the atomization of the fuel. Scavange manifold. Scavenging is the process of removing exhaust gases from the cylinder after combustion and replenishing the cylinder with fresh air. The passage of scavenge air will also assist cooling of the cylinder, piston, and valves. Exhaust manifold. The exhaust manifold is an important part of any propulsion system. It collects the exhaust fumes generated from the engine during combustion of fuel and redirects it into the exhaust pipe. From the exhaust pipe, the gases are released into the atmosphere.